So I am going towards RER A, so which goes to Bussy St. George, so and Marine Valley and Park Disneyland. So where we have stayed in the year 2005 for 3 nights close to Disneyland. So I am just taking the train to explore and experience Paris suburbs with beautiful RER. I will take RER stop. Train just left, so I have to wait for another train. It's a busy morning, so definitely I will have more trains, so no need to worry. I think another train is also coming within 2-3 minutes. So this is RER going to Disneyland. Yeah, Bussy St. George. So I will go all the way till last stop and then come back. See, beautiful double-decker train. So just I will sit in the upstairs like first floor and I just enjoy Paris. This is RER train, RER A. So I am just taking this to lift to sit upstairs. This is Paris from RER, small window.
Le parc de Saint-Maur.
This is one RER
Attention à la
stop.
marche en descendant du train.
This train is going to Disneyland Paris. Roads in Paris. This is my mistake. It is not. This train is not going to Disneyland. It is going to other station. So what I will do is I will just change here and take a train to Disneyland if possible. This train to go to Disneyland. Satellite or London or Nation and then change the train. So it is a beautiful area.
La Varenne, Chenevière.